Let me show you how to use your VR glasses with any iPhone. So over here I have the new iPhone 17, but obviously it works with any iPhone, or also if you have the larger Pro Max models also it obviously will work. But first let's maybe quickly explore our glass and I'll show you basically the various functions of it. So you see basically over here this is a slot where we can simply insert our phone. So you see you simply slide inside. Also you see you have this tiny arrow here, that obviously is the center. So okay, so you see once you insert it inside, this essentially is what it looks like. Okay, so also you see you have various adjustments here, so basically for each lens and also the spread of the lenses. So you see, yeah, you can kind of maybe even see something on the inside here. So basically we have these two lenses over here, and yeah, when we actually start to watch something we will need to adjust the focus, otherwise it will be very blurry. So you see if I start to turn this wheel here, I can get my lens to come in or out, so that obviously will adjust the focus of the lens and make the image essentially less blurry essentially. And you see also this middle wheel here as well, if you turn this, that also adjusts the spread of it as well. Okay, so and how can we actually watch some content? So there are actually multiple different ways. First, you can simply also literally go in the YouTube, and there are actually multiple different YouTube videos that are basically in this special VR mode. So for example, if you open some, for example, you see this is some roller coaster game. So yeah, basically you launch this, insert in there, and then you can watch the content. However, when it comes to negatives for iPhone, for YouTube, actually we can't see this 360 view. For example, if you check on any Android phone, so see also you can easily move your phone around here and see what's also happening around you. On iPhone we actually can't do that in the YouTube app, which is absolutely stupid. So obviously iPhones aren't as advanced as, yeah. So anyway, yeah, if you also, for example, maybe have some Android phone laying around, literally open up some of these videos in the that player mode basically and click this glasses thing. So you see, you open this up and it converts basically to special view. So you see, not only it will be in 3D, but also you'll be able to also look around basically using this way. Then also, for example, if you enter App Store and simply search for VR, there are actually tons of different games and also some videos basically that we can, yeah, open. So for example, I simply download something randomly. So for example, if we open this up, so for example, so videos or games, so for example, just selecting something randomly here. Yep. So you see it, let's select this VR headset, click OK. And also it gives us various options essentially. So simply, we are simply going to try basically which one fits the best. So you see it essentially creates this special view. And also we have this 360 view as well, essentially through this app, for example. And then again, for example, yeah, if we insert inside, you'll be only, not only you'll be able to like experience it in 3D, but also like look around you essentially as well. So you see, for example, the roller coaster ride is starting. So again, find where around is somewhere middle basically. And again, check that arrow, try to insert it right in the middle. So you see, for example, I have the line here, insert it all the way in, and then we can start watching, obviously. And yeah, it looks actually very good. So you see, probably in the video you can't understand anything, but yeah, in real life, once you actually insert your head, it looks absolutely awesome. Also, obviously, yeah, before you start watching, make sure to turn these wheels, adjust the focus just as you need, otherwise, again, it will be kind of blurry here. So yeah, it's actually absolutely awesome what we can do with this thing here. And yeah, also I see that there are also a bunch of games, for example, some VR escape rooms. That's probably not Minecraft, but something similar. So you can even like interact with the games as well if you download some of those. But again, overall, yeah, if you compare the Android experience and iPhone experience with these glasses, then you actually get quite a lot more content basically on Android, and also most of the stuff is completely free. Also again, in the YouTube app on the Android phone, so again, it's a way better experience than on iPhones. It's simply not as well developed basically on iPhones. But yeah, overall, the experience I think is absolutely awesome. Yeah, from the headset. Also, if you are looking to get this headset, in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can follow and get it for absolutely insane price. So personally I got mine from AliExpress and actually paid only around $1 with free shipping for mine, which is absolutely insane, yeah, when you consider what we're actually getting. So yeah, if you also want to get it for a similar price, simply check out the special discount link I will leave in the description. Anyway, good luck.